Hello viewers. United States have a large inventory of different kinds of UAVs, but this particular one got famous because of certain events. Uh, this is called made by Lockheed Martin, and it's called RQ-170 Sentinel. It was introduced into the service in 2007, and the primary user is the United States Air Force, but it's operated by the CIA, the Central Intelligence Agency. Their number is expected between number built is between 20 to 30. According to one report, it's 20, and it was deployed to Afghanistan in late 2007 and to South Korea in September 2009. Iran captured it in 2011, and we will discuss in detail later about that. And it uses a single engine, and that is speculated to be either General Electric TF-34 or Garrett TFE-31. It was developed as expected, by Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works, that usually works on the stealth designs. So it is said that it has similarities with some fast stealth UAVs. One was RQ-3 Darkstar and Polecat. In relation to Darkstar, it said it's bigger than Darkstar, but uses the same apertures and data links. And in December 2012 report, journalist David X stated that 20 or so RQ-170 had been built. The RQ designation R for reconnaissance and Q for unmanned indicates that RQ-170 Sentinel does not carry weapons. The Aviation Week and Space Technologies David A. Fulgham uh, believes that the UAV is probably a tactical operations oriented platform and not a strategic intelligence gathering design. That is because it has quite low endurance than other long range UAVs like the Global Hawk. The USA Air Force confirmed that its presence in Kandahar airfield then, and at that time it was called by reporters the Beast of Kandahar, and it was sighted on 4th December 2009. United States colonel subsequently commented that RQ-170 is separate from the MQX program. Sentinel will not replace the General Atomics MQ-1 Predator or General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper drones. Uh, Iran, when captured it, also released its specification, so that we can say with more certainty that those are. It's also said that most probably its radar is AISA radar, and according to New York Times report, it is almost certainly equipped with communication intercept equipment as well as highly sensitive hyperspectral sensors capable of detecting very small amounts of radioactive isotopes and chemicals that may indicate the existence of nuclear weapon facilities. I think it was guessed because it was deployed in Afghanistan, and Afghanistan doesn't had any radar. So it was thought that this UAV was spying on Iran and Pakistan's nuclear facilities, and the same role in Korea as well. Well, on December 2011, The Iranians claim that they have downed the RQ-170 at Afghan border. Also, I remember uh, President Barack Obama confirming it and asking Iran to give it back. That was funny because it doesn't seem it wasn't seem possible. So Iranian TV showed that, and in that footage, Iranian Revolutionary Guard released dimensions of the aircraft, including a wingspan of about 26 meters, that is 85 feet, and a height of 1.84 meters, that is 6 feet, and a length of 4.5 meters, that is 15 feet. So it's the squadron is 30th Reconnaissance Squadron. That was the first unit to operate these, and it's based at Tonopah Test Range Airport in Nevada. This squadron was activated on 1st September 2005, and later they have been deployed in Afghanistan, Kandahar airfield in late 2007, and later in 2009 it was also deployed in South Korea, and it was expected to permanently deploy in 2010 to replace the Lockheed U-2 reconnaissance aircraft operating from Osan Air Base. So, in another event on 2nd May 2011, at least one RQ-170 monitored the area while elements of United States Naval Special Warfare Development Group launched an assault on the compound which resulted in Osama bin Laden's death. The aircraft provided footage of the attack, which was watched by live by President Barack Obama and his senior national security advisors. I remember the picture of it is also available, was leaked, was available to the press, not leaked. It was officially released to the press also. The RQ-170 also monitored Pakistan's military radio transmissions in the area to provide uh, warning of any response to the attack. Uh, Later, the Iranian government released footage of a captured RQ-170 on 8th December 2011. After examining the video the same day, the US officials confirmed that the drone was genuine. In April 2012, General Amir Ali Hajizadeh, the commander of Islamic Revolutionary Guards Corps Aerospace Division, claimed that Iran has reverse engineered the RQ-170 and was building a copy of the UAV. He also stated that the data were being recovered from the captured RQ-170. The semi-official Tasneem news agency of Iran reported in September 2016 that a UAV named Saige-2, similar in appearance to the RQ-170, had been built. It was said to be able to carry four precision-guided bombs. The range was not stated. The Shahid 171 Simorgh is also based on the downed Sentinel. Uh, Also, the Israeli military shot down a Saige drone during the February 2018 Israel-Syria conflict. The Israeli media reported the UAV design was indeed largely based on the RQ-170, and IAF Brigadier General Tomer Bar said that the drone was quite advanced and emulated Western technology. So it's the crew of three operates it on the ground, and it has endurance of 5 to 6 hours estimated, and a service ceiling of less than 50,000 feet. So that's all for today. I will be back with another interesting video. Uh, Please like, share, and comment on the video. so that I continue to produce these videos. Take care. Bye.